The United States of America is a nation located in the North American continent. It is the fourth largest nation in the world in terms of area. It is bestowed with scenic beauty and natural resources. Let us study the location, extent, and boundaries of United States of America.
The latitudinal extent of mainland United States of America, that is USA, is from 22 degrees 43 minutes north to 75 degrees 15 minutes north. In terms of longitude, it spreads between 66 degrees 57 minutes west and 167 degrees 45 minutes west.
Besides the mainland, the United States include Alaska, located in the northern part of North America, Hawaiian Islands and Aleutian Islands in the Pacific Ocean. It has an area of 93,72,614 square kilometers. See this map and make a list of the oceans and countries seen along the boundary of this nation. We shall study the physiography. Due to its vast extent, this country has a diversified physiography. The eastern coastal strip extends from the mouth of River St. Lawrence in the north to the Mexican Gulf in the south. Between the Appalachian Mountains in the east and the Rocky Mountains in the west, there is an extensive central plain. It is called Great Plains. The Rocky Mountains run parallel to the western coast. Colorado and Columbia plateaus are located within this mountain system. The spectacular Grand Canyon of Colorado River is known worldwide for its scenic beauty. Within the western coastal region, we find minor ranges like Sierra Nevada and Coast Range. Beyond that is a narrow coastal strip. The Californian coastal strip is famous for its orchids. The central plains of the country are fed with sufficient water by rivers like Mississippi, Missouri, Ohio, and Tennessee. Besides these, the water resources from rivers like Columbia and Colorado in the western coastal region, Great Salt Lake, and the Great Lakes are used for navigation, civil water supply, hydroelectricity, etc. Climate. The diverse physiographic conditions are well reflected in the climatic diversity. Due to the cold wind from the north, the temperature in Alaska is below 0 degrees Celsius. In the central plains, the climate is dry and hot during summer, and in the winter it is cool. The temperature in the deserts from Nevada and Arizona is always high. The highest temperature, 57 degrees Celsius in this country, has been recorded in Death Valley. Cyclones form along the eastern coast of the country. These cyclones are called hurricanes. They cause severe damages along the Mexican Gulf Coast. The mean annual rainfall in Rocky Mountain ranges is around 2,500 millimeters. These are caused by westerly winds. In desert areas, it is as low as 250 millimeters. In the central plains, the rainfall ranges from 500 to 800 millimeters. In the southern parts of Appalachian Mountains, the rainfall is around 1,200 millimeters. It is caused by the easterly winds. Let us study about natural resources of United States of America. Forest resources. The mountainous regions of Rocky and Appalachian Mountains, which receive high rainfall, have thick forests with trees like oak, maple, hemlock, poplar, fir, and spruce. The interior extensive plain is a grassland region. It is called prairie. The arid regions or deserts have thorny bushes and shrubs, animals and birds. The forest from mountainous region from the habitat of animals like bear, wolf, puma, panther, etc. In Alaska, located in the north and having a cold climate, one finds animals like white bear and reindeer which have thick fur. Besides these, we find that cows, sheep, pigs, cocks, turkeys are reared for commercial purpose in this country. Birds like eagle, owl, swan, etc. are also found here. Indiscriminate hunting has led to lowering of the animal population. The government has therefore established a large number of national parks and sanctuaries. Of these, the Yellowstone National Park is quite famous. Minerals. See this map. Coal, iron ore, mineral oil, silver, copper, gold, and other minerals are found in this country. The region around the lakes, Colorado Plateau, basins of Mississippi and Missouri are rich in mineral resources. Occupations. Agriculture. Agriculture has prospered in the Central Plains due to the fertile soils and use of advanced technology. Due to the fertile soils of the Mississippi-Missouri basin, modern machinery and new agricultural methods, it has become a leading country in agricultural production. This region is known as the Prairie region. This is also called a storehouse of wheat. Wheat, corn, soya bean, cotton, tobacco, etc. are produced on a large scale. Fruits like orange, apple, as well as vegetables like potato, tomato, etc. are also produced on a large scale. Hawaiian Islands are known for the production of sugarcane and pineapple. The Californian plain is particularly known for fruit production. Animal husbandry. In the grasslands of the Central Plains, cows, hens, and pigs are reared on a large scale. Due to commercial and large-scale animal husbandry, this nation has become a leading producer of meat and dairy products. In this field also, the country has achieved economic progress. Fisheries. This country has coasts on both the sides, the east and the west. A vast continental shelf extends in the Atlantic Ocean along the eastern coast of the country. A fishing ground known as the Georges Bank is located here. The Gulf of Mexico is also another fishing ground. Due to high production, fish is exported. A variety of fish like tuna, salmon, shark, mackerel are found in these areas. This business also has contributed to the economic development of the country. Industries. Due to different types of minerals, abundant water resources and power supply, this country has become the home of a variety of industries. There are factories producing food items, paper, chemicals, automobiles, ready-made garments, petroleum products, electrical machinery, scientific and medical equipments, etc. California, Texas, Ohio, Michigan, New York, Erie, New England, Alabama are the major manufacturing regions. Besides these, Hollywood and Silicon Valley in the California are known for cine industry and information technology respectively. Trade. The country has trade relations with many other countries. Within that, the trade with European and Asiatic countries is predominant. To fulfill the demands of the growing industrial sector, the country has to import mineral oil and iron ore on a large scale. Machinery, cotton yarn, toys, mineral oil, lubricants, steel, tea, coffee, sugar, etc. are the items on the import list. The country's export list includes food grains like wheat, corn, soya bean, aeroplanes, cars, computers, paper, and machine tools required for different industries. Transport and communication. See this map. A dense network of roads and railways has been developed in the country due to the large-scale development in trade and industries. Rivers like Mississippi and St. Lawrence, as well as the Great Lakes, facilitate water transport. The natural linkage between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic Ocean through St. Lawrence River has favored water transport. Air routes are also used on a large scale. Domestic air routes link the major cities in the country. The country has caused a revolution in the field of communication. From the Cape Kennedy Launching Center, a number of spacecrafts are launched. NASA, or National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is an institute that carries out space research and manages the work of communication through satellites. Tourism. Every year, lakhs of people visit this country to see the charming and beautiful coasts, Niagara Falls, the Statue of Liberty, famous cities like New York, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Hollywood, and the national parks, national monuments, etc. Tourism has contributed to the economic development of the country. Through careful planning, the places of tourist interest, of historical importance and scenic beauty are properly maintained and cared for from point of view of environment. The tourism department of the country is very particular in providing facilities to tourists. Human life. Red Indians are the original inhabitants of this region. However, at present, their number has reduced considerably. The eastern and western coastal regions are thickly populated. Comparatively, in the mountainous and plateau regions, the population is sparse. English is the major language in the country. Next to it is the Spanish language. Christians are in majority. People from different countries of the world have migrated here for jobs and services. As a result, the human life in this country has been multifaceted. The standard of living of people in urban areas is high. People like modern attire. Different types of salads, vegetables, bread, meat, fish, burger, pizza, etc. are the items in the normal diet of these people. Their houses are well equipped with different facilities and they are usually multi-storied. Rock, disco, break and other forms of dance and music are popular in this country. People like attending movies, playing games and watching games like baseball, football, rugby and participating in tennis, mountaineering, sea surfing. Now let us study the major cities of USA. Washington, D.C. This is the capital of the United States of America. It is a well-planned and neat and clean city. The main office of the World Bank is situated in this city. New York. This city is located on the Manhattan Island and it is a center of trade and transport. The headquarters of United Nations Organization is situated in this city. A Statue of Liberty has been raised near the city. San Francisco. This city is located on the western coast and is a major industrial center. It is also a center of transportation. It is known for its orchids and floriculture. The clean and beautiful coast of this city is quite famous. Los Angeles. This is a large port. Hollywood, known for the cine industry, is located near this city. Beautiful beaches, clear cloudless skies useful for cinematography, plenty of sunlight, etc. are some of the natural gifts that have favored the growth of cine industry at Hollywood. A number of people come here for shooting and for the production of films.